Hello children, good afternoon. Welcome back to today's maths class. In today's class, let's start with a fresh chapter, that is chapter 10, data handling. In daily life, we require information about different things. The information we collect about things is called data. Data handling helps us to understand all the information we get. As you know, the collection of information in the form of numerical values is called data. It can be represented in pictures, graphs, symbols, etc. Data handling is a systematic representation of data where we can use pictures or symbols for representing the information. The information of data can be represented in many ways. When pictures or symbols are used to represent the information, such a presentation is called pictorial representation. You will understand it better after seeing this example. So observe the pictograph, questions asked and answer the given below. So here you can see in tabulation pencil, eraser, notebook and sharpener. So you have to observe it carefully and answer to my questions. Yes. First question, how many pencils are there? Yes, count the number of pencils and tell me what is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many pencils are there? There are 10 pencils. Now count and tell me how many erasers are there. Yes, start counting. Yes, it is 6. Next, which item is least in number? Least means less in number. Yes, start comparing. Yes, it is sharpener. You have got only 5 sharpeners in the tabulation. Next, how many sharpeners are there? It is 5. There are 5 sharpeners. Next, which item is maximum in number? Maximum means more. Yes, what is the answer? It is pencil. Next, how many items are there all together? You have to start counting from pencil, then eraser, add notebook, at last till sharpener. What is the total number? It is 29. Yes, this you have to copy it in your maths classwork neatly. Sharpener, pencil, erasers and pencil can be drawn roughly and you have to copy it neatly. One more example. Observe the given pictograph and answer the questions that follow. Yes. See the tabulation. It is banana, orange, apple, papaya. Yes. Questions are given. Read it carefully and answer. How many oranges are there? Start counting the number of oranges and give me the answer. How many? Yeah, there are 13 oranges. Next, how many bananas are there? Yes, count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 bananas. Yes. Next, how many bananas and apples are there all together? What you have to do all together? First, you have to add. You have to add bananas and apple together. So what is the answer? It is 17. How many bananas are there? Yes, 8 bananas are there. So apples, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 plus 8, it is 17. Next, how many papayas are there? It is 6. Next, how many papayas and oranges are there all together? So how many oranges are there? 13. Then papaya, it is 6. If you find the sum, what is the answer? It is 19. Next, how many apples are there? Yes, it is 9. Next, how many fruits are there altogether? So what you have to do, you have to find the sum of 13 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9. Yes, what is the answer? It is 36. This sum also you have to copy it in your maths classwork. Yes, now you have to take page number 158 in New Guided Mathematics textbook. It's given. Let's recap. The list shows the ice cream flavors sold by a vendor in 3 days. Yes, everybody likes these flavors, right? Everybody might have tasted it also. So here you can see there are 3 flavors: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. And days: Friday, Saturday and Sunday. In tabulation you can see the number of ice creams sold on Friday, the number of ice creams sold on Saturday, the flavors, ice cream flavors sold on Sunday. So answer the following by looking at the list. What you have to do, read the question, understand and then answer. Which is the best selling flavor over the 3 days? So what you have to do, you have to compare. First compare what is the best flavor sold here. First I am comparing chocolate, vanilla and strawberry on Friday. So it is chocolate. On Saturday also chocolate ice creams have sold more. On Sunday also chocolate flavored ice creams are sold. So it is chocolate. Next, which flavor sold the least? It is strawberry. You can find it very easily by comparing with the other 2 flavors. Next, how many chocolate ice creams were sold over 3 days? It is how many chocolates? So what you have to do? You have to add 17 plus 23 plus 32. Use the rough column and find the answer. It is 72. Next, on which day were the least number of ice creams sold? Which day it is? It is on Friday. Next, on which day were the most number of ice creams sold? It is on Sunday. Obviously, it is seen from the tabular column. Next, how many ice creams were sold in all over the 3 days? So what you have to do? You have to add 17 plus 23 plus 32 plus 10 plus 14 plus 21 plus 8 plus 11 plus 18 will give you 154 as the answer. Next, how many vanilla ice creams were sold on Friday? So check from the tabulation, it is 10. Next, how many chocolate ice creams were sold on Sunday? It is 32. This you have to fill in page number 158 in New Guided Mathematics textbook. Yes, here ends today's class, children. Take care. Bye bye.